What is going on, guys? Right now I'm on my way to the Ford dealership. If you guys are tech savvy even in the least, then you probably know what CarPlay is. And for those of you that don't, basically it's an interface on your radio that essentially allows for you to have the same interface that you use on your iPhone on your radio itself. So it's pretty much like having iOS on your radio essentially. And for those of us like myself that have a 2015 or 2016 Mustang, mine being a 2016, you're not equipped with CarPlay even if you have the big radio, which is the Sync 3 like this one. They actually only introduced it into the Mustangs in 2017, and after finding out that my car did not have CarPlay, I eagerly started searching on how to get CarPlay into my car, and I found a little trick online that I'm going to share with you guys today. So right now I'm pulling up to the Ford place. I'm gonna run inside and grab this part that I'm gonna need for this conversion today. Well, I got it. Check it out. It is this tiny little box. All right, so we have arrived back at home now. Let me open this up and show you guys what I'm looking at. Yeah, it's that simple. This is a real Apple USB charging cable. So I'm gonna plug it up into the USB here, and we're gonna plug it up to my phone. Now once unlocked, it should pop up CarPlay right here. As you see, it's not. Before I knew that this trick was even available, I tried everything and then learned about this. So let me unplug my phone. Now I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver, and if you see, I'm just sticking it right here behind this USB and just prying it out. And there you go. You see I've got it out now. So go ahead and take out all of the USBs that plug up to this. Grab your new USB, which I just picked up from Ford. Replace all the connectors. So now I have the new one plugged up. I can push it back in there. So once you've gone ahead and replaced the USB that comes in the car with the new one, the next steps are going to take place on a computer. Next thing you want to do is go to owners.ford.com. Once you make an account, you type in your VIN number, everything, your vehicle gets populated into your account on here, and once you do that, then it will let you know that you have a system update for your sync. So as you see here, I have software update version 3.0. So next thing that you need to do is grab a USB. As it says here, you need to have one that is at least 32 gigabytes of space. Once you do that, then you can click begin sync update, and it will actually allow you to begin downloading this update. So there's a few things, this might be kind of complicated, but all you need to do is get a USB drive, make sure it's empty, make sure it can hold 32 gigabytes of data, it cannot be password protected, and it needs to be formatted into exFAT or EXFAT. So once you do that and you get your drive formatted, go ahead and download it onto the drive, and I will show you guys what to do next. Okay, so as you can see, we are almost finished up with transferring the files onto my USB drive here. Well, it got a little bit late, but I got everything transferred onto the hard drive. So I'm now gonna plug in my drive into the car, and then up here on the radio, give it just a second. You see it says updating system software. So go ahead and give that just a little bit, leave the car running, and it's gonna take its course on its own. It does everything automatically. Well guys, right now, if you look on here, it says installation complete. You may now remove your USB device. Updates will take effect the next time you start your vehicle. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that, turn off the car, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove my flash drive or USB or whatever you had, hard drive, whatever that you had the files onto. So now I'm gonna open the door and let the car turn off completely. And then right here, I have the original Apple charging cable. I'm gonna plug this into the center console USB that I got earlier from the Ford place. And now I'm gonna turn it back on. And here we are. It is currently rebooting with the new software on it. Wow, check that out. Everything is revised and changed already, as I can see here. All the symbols look a lot better down here at the bottom. Everything looks really nice. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. I've got my phone right here. I'm gonna take my charging cable and plug it in. Check it out. It says Apple CarPlay, some sync services will be replaced while connected. CarPlay can be disabled in settings. So continue, agree to the terms and use. Skip this step, and now over here on my phone it says allow CarPlay with Sync 3 while phone is unlocked. Allow, And check that out, guys. We now have CarPlay on the car. Let me turn off this light over here that I was using and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, I'm sorry if this is hard to see, but check it out. We've got everything that you would have pretty much on your phone normally. You can go here and place phone calls.
Who are we calling?
That is awesome. Go back to home. You've got your Wi-Fi right here, the time, everything is seriously set up just like your phone. Go over here to music, and as you see, everything works just like your phone would. So again, once you have this on here, if you want to swap back over to the Ford Sync, you literally just click that and it goes back to your car's interface. But honestly, now that I have CarPlay, I'm probably not going to use my car's interface anymore. I'm probably strictly going to stay with the CarPlay. It's just way too cool not to use. If you want to use Siri, it's seriously just the same thing as using your phone. You hold down the home button, Siri pops up, you can ask her questions, you can make her call somebody, you can do anything. It's really, really cool. I think my favorite thing though is the maps, because you get the integrated maps that you use already on your phone. They work really well compared to a lot of cars' navigation, so that's really nice. If your car doesn't already have navigation on the Sync 3, this is a huge upgrade for you because you'll actually have navigation now. I already had navigation equipped on this car whenever I bought it, but this is a lot nicer just because it looks just like what I'm used to on my phone, and it's a lot more responsive and easy to use. So guys, it is now late at night. It took me a while because I had some other stuff that I needed to take care of, so I'm sorry that it's dark now, but we got everything working with nothing but a little bit of time to update this via a USB drive or hard drive, and then a $50 USB port for your car. So it's very, very easy to do this conversion. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Comment down below and let me know if you guys have any questions about any of the process that I did. One thing that I will say that I ran into is that I tried doing this on my Mac computer and it did not work, but as soon as I tried it on a Windows computer, it worked flawlessly. So if you guys have a Mac, it may or may not work. Just wanted to throw that out there. But any other questions that you guys have, I'd love to help you answer them. I really think that everybody should be able to upgrade to this because it is hands down the coolest thing ever for your car. Seriously. So anyways, guys, that's probably going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, until next video.